So now we will be studying Cramer's rule of algebra. This is the first sum of Cramer's rule. 3x minus 4y is equal to 10 and 4x plus 3y is equal to 5. In this, what we have to do? We have to find d, dx and dy. So for d, which values we have to take? Values of x, that is 3 and 4, and values of y, that is minus 4 and 3. Always remember to take the signs as it is, not only numbers. So now we'll solve this same as we have did in our previous lecture in determinants. 3 into 3 minus 4 into 4. Now 3 3s are 9, minus 4 into 4 minus 16. Okay, so now we'll open the bracket, minus becomes plus 16. 9 plus 16 is 25. Now we'll be doing dx. For dx, what we have to do? We have to take the values, these values, which are our constants. Okay, we can refer these values as x की value will refer as a1 a2, y की value as b1 b2, and this constants as c1 c2. So first we'll be taking constants. While solving dx, no need to take the value of x, that will be ignored. Now we'll be taking y की value and this order should be same. Okay, ये नहीं कि तुम पहले y की लिख दो then constant लिख दो. No, you have to write first constants and then y. Now we'll solve this with the same rule, that is 10 into 3 minus 4 into 5. So 10 into 3 30, minus 4 into 5 minus 20. Now we'll open the bracket, minus plus, that is 50. Now we'll be doing dy की value. So for dy की value, first we have to take x की value 3 and 4. जैसे हमने dx में x की वैल्यू को इग्नोर किए थे, वैसे dy में y की वैल्यू we won't take, will take constants. Order will be first x की value and then constants. So 3 into 5 minus 10 into 4. 3 5s are 15, 10 4s are 40. Now 15 minus 40, we are subtracting greater number from the smaller number. So the answer will be minus 25. Okay, now we have to find the value of x and y. Formulas are x के लिए dx upon d and for y dy upon d. Okay, so the value of dx was 50, the value of dy was minus 25. 25 ones are 25 2s are, but this minus will be shifted, so the value of x minus 2. Now dy की value sorry dx की value was 50 and d की value we have to take, that is 25, not minus 25, so it is plus 2. And for dy, value is minus 25 and d is 25. 25 gets cancelled, but the answer is minus 1. So we'll be doing one more sum so that you will be clear with it. The next sum is we are taking the fifth sum of the practice set. 4m plus 6n is equal to 54 and 3m plus 2n is equal to 28. So same way, first d. So for d, what we have to do? Like m is our x, n is our y. Okay, so we are taking 4 3 and 6 2. So 4 into 2 minus 6 into 3. 4 2s are 8, 6 3s are 18. Okay, now 8 minus 18 would be minus 10. Now for dx, now here we can write dm. Okay, because there are no variables of x and y such, So how we did it for y? First writing constants and then we'll be writing n की value. So 54 into 2 minus 6 into 28. 54 into 2 108. 28 into 6 is 168, I guess. Now again we are subtracting bigger from the smaller, so sign will be now dn. For dn, first we'll write m value and then constants. Four into 28 minus 54 into 3. So 4 into 28 is 112. 54 into 162. Answer is 50 again minus. So now for m value dm upon d and for n value dn upon d. dm is minus 60, d is minus 10. Minus minus cancel, 10 ones are 10 6 are, m is equal to 6. Now dn is minus 50, d is minus 10. 10 ones are 10, 10 fives are, so n is equal to 5. So this is how we can solve Cramer's rule.